Guys, this is Sahil from alphabetazone.com, and in this video I will show you how to unpin any Instagram post, reel or video from the top of the page. So if you want to unpin any of your Instagram post, you can do it by using this feature of Instagram. And like you can see that Instagram will allow to pin 3 of your post at the top of your Instagram feed page. So if you want to unpin any of your post, you can do it by using this feature. First you need to open that particular post. Now you need to click on the 3-line icon, and after this you need to click on the unpin from profile. Now you can see this post has been unpinned. Now it goes to its original place. You can see it goes to its original place here, and this is the way to unpin any post on Instagram. I hope this guide was helpful. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.